You downloaded a game because it was free. 3 weeks later, you've spent $60 on it. A handful of gems here, a bundle there, a little to skip a wait you didn't want to wait. And you'd struggle to tell me what exactly. You weren't being reckless. You were the product. And free was the most expensive word on the screen. Here's the thing about a free game. If you're not paying for it up front, it still has to make money, a great deal of it, which means it was never really built to entertain you. It was built to sell you something. And the something it sells is the cure to a problem it quietly placed inside the game itself. Tonight, let's take that machine apart, piece by piece. The first move is to make the money disappear. You don't spend dollars in a mobile game. You spend gems, or coins, or stars, or some bright little token with its own cheerful sound. And the moment your real money turns into a fictional currency, your brain stops keeping score. That small, useful flinch you feel handing over cash, it's gone because you're not handing over cash. You're topping up, and the amounts never quite line up on purpose. The gems come a pack of 500, but the thing you want costs 530. So you buy the bigger pack, and now you've got leftover gems burning a hole, quietly pulling you back in. The game even hands you a pile for free at the start. Not out of kindness, but as a free sample, training your hand to reach for the currency before it ever costs you a thing. You stopped doing real math 3 purchases ago. That was always the point. And once you've spent even once, second trap springs shut. The season pass, the battle pass. The thing you paid for that only pays out if you keep showing up every single day. Now skipping a day isn't just skipping a day. It's wasting money you already handed over. You didn't only buy an item. You bought an obligation. The second move is sneakier. The game builds a problem just so it can sell you the answer. That energy bar that drains after a few rounds, that's not a limit, it's a toll booth. The timer that says your building will be ready in 3 hours or instantly for 99 cents. That weight was added, not discovered. The difficulty that spikes hard at the exact moment you're most invested. That wall wasn't placed there to challenge you. It was placed there to be removed for a price. Do you see the pattern yet? Nearly every frustration you feel is a product sitting on a shelf. They install the pain, then sell you the painkiller, and then they do it again. And the cruelest version wears a friendly face. Your crops will wither if you don't water them tonight. Your town falls behind while you sleep. Your teammates are counting on you and only you. That's pressure dressed up as a game, engineered to make you pay not for yourself, but so you don't let something or someone down. But here is the number that explains the entire machine. This game is not built for you, the player who spends nothing or $5. It's built for the whale. In free-to-play, a tiny sliver of players, about 1 in every 700, a fraction of a single percent, generate close to half of all the money. Most people pay nothing at all. A handful pay thousands. And whale, by the way, is not my word. It's theirs lifted straight from the casino floor, the term for the high roller worth chasing across the room. So the designers do not tune the game to be fair, or fun, or balanced for the average person. They tune it to find and squeeze the fraction who can't stop. You are not the customer. You are the net they cast to catch the few who are. A price that looks insane to you, $100 for a pile of gems, was never aimed at you. It's aimed at the whale, for whom $100 is a Tuesday. The VIP tiers, the leaderboards that pit spenders against spenders, the events that crown whoever pours in the most. None of that is built for you. You're set dressing, the crowd that makes one big spender feel like a king worth paying to stay. And you don't have to take my word for any of it, because the people who build these games say it to each other out loud. A game studio founder named Torolf Jernstrom once gave a talk to a room full of other developers and titled it, without a flicker of shame, "Let's Go Whaling." In it, he lays out the craft plainly. Time your offers for the moment the player is frustrated. Price things so they can't easily compare them to real money. Make the bundles confusing on purpose. That is not an outraged critic guessing from the outside. That is a builder on a stage, teaching the room exactly how the trick is done. And it is no longer one trick for everyone. A modern game watches how you specifically play when you tend to spend, which offer you almost took and backed out of. The exact price where your thumb hesitates. And it tunes the squeeze to you. The discount that surfaces only after you've twice backed out of buying. The perfect bundle that drops the instant a win streak ends and the sting is fresh. The game is quietly running thousands of little experiments on you at once, learning the shape of your particular wallet, until the offer that finally breaks you is one it built for you, out of your own behavior. And you already know the shape of that trick because you've been inside the moment it's built for. It's late. You're one life away from finally clearing the level that's beaten you for an hour. The screen offers you a way through, just a few gems, which you happen to be just short of, which means just one small purchase. A timer in the corner warns that a 70% off bundle disappears in 10 minutes. Your thumb is already moving, and you tell yourself it's only $1. It's always only $1, until you read the statement at the end of the month. And here is the twist that actually matters. The game was never trying to be fun. Fun is the bait. The free, generous, delightful first hour that gets the hook set deep. The real product is the moment you are frustrated enough, invested enough, and confused enough about the money to tap by. Everything before that moment exists to manufacture it. They didn't build a game with a shop bolted onto the side. They built a shop and dressed it up as a game. And the sharpest edge of all, these tricks work best on the most impulsive brains, the ones least able to pause and do the math. Which is exactly why so many of them live inside games made for children, with a parent's credit card already saved one tap away. So here's what to watch for the next time something free asks you for money. The currency you can't price in real dollars without stopping to do arithmetic. That fog is deliberate. The weight that ends the instant you pay. The wall that rises the moment you fall in love with the game. The limited time bundle with a ticking clock, manufacturing a panic about a thing you didn't want 60 seconds ago. And the simplest tell of all, the first time a free game asks you for money is the moment the trap finishes closing. That's not the game breaking. That's the game finally working. None of this means every game you love is a scam. But a hook you can see is a hook you can set down. So the next time a game tells you it's free, you'll know exactly what that word is doing. Free is not the price. Free is the bait. You were never the player they built it for. You were the one they built it on. And that was always the design. If this changed how you see the games on your phone, hit subscribe. There's a new one every week, and you'll never look at the everyday things around you the same way again.